Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So today's video I will show you where the fuse box location is inside of a Honda DC5 Type R. So just near your wheel, you want to just go up underneath your wheel and just under here, I'll show you guys, we have one screw just in here that you just have to twist it around, and then there's another one just over here. Okay, so yeah, so one here and one here. You just pop these. I'll use my other hand. You just pop these like that, and then this just pops down, and then you just pull that out. You can just sit that aside, and just up underneath here, there's your fuse box. Located inside there, and if you want to know which fuses are which, just turn this piece here around and just have a look in here, and that will give you what you need to know inside the car. And that's pretty much it. That's how you find and access and read the fuse box inside a Honda DC5 Type R. Thanks for watching.